Every one of us want to have white teeth, but we are not sure whether these teeth whitening products are safe for us, whether it will actually work at home, and if it does, then how much whiter teeth can become. So today in this video, we'll break down all these products, no hype, no marketing, just the facts. Hi, I'm Dr. Sneha. I'm a periodontist, which is gum and bone specialization, and I'm the clinical head of Toothmedics Dental Clinic. Before we start this video, a small disclaimer. Home tooth whitening is only for candidates who have mild to moderate stains on their teeth. If you have extremely yellow, brown, grayish, patchy colored teeth, then definitely home tooth whitening is not an option. You have to come to the dental clinic and get it checked. So let's get started. Before we actually dive into what you should be using, let's first see that what you actually should never be using on your teeth. So never scrub your teeth with turmeric powder, charcoal powder, or these herbal tooth whitening powders that are available. They are highly abrasive and they'll just ruin your outer surface of your teeth, which is your enamel. So never use them. You will end up with highly sensitive teeth, which is then a problem. Second comes the tooth whitening pastes. Now remember, these are not tooth whitening. They just have abrasives which help remove the surface stains. They are not chemical based. They will not penetrate your teeth and make it more whiter. The next one, which is a big no, are the whitening pens. These pens contain low-grade peroxides which can damage your gum. They result in uneven, patchy finish. So completely avoid these pens as well. Now that we know that what we should not do, let's understand that what we can do. First in this category is whitening strips. These whitening strips contain the whitening gel. You just have to peel the strip and stick it onto the teeth very carefully. So apply once daily and keep it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And you can use them for approximately 10 to 15 days. If you are someone who wants mild tooth whitening, then this is a very good option. Coming to the next option, which is the prefabricated whitening trays. So these trays come either pre-filled with a whitening gel, or you have to place the gel onto the tray and fix the tray inside your mouth. Now according to the product recommendation and the concentration of the gel that is used, you can wear these trays from 15 minutes to 60 minutes for about 1 week to 15 days. The limitation of these trays are they are generic, they are not custom made, so they might not fit you properly. There are chances that the gel can leak into the gum line and cause gum irritation. And because the gel has the capacity to leak because of the fitting of the tray, this might result in uneven whitening of the teeth. Coming to the third, which is one of the best options you can use for home tooth whitening, are the custom tooth whitening trays. So here you go to your dentist, they will have a quick checkup and they will then take the measurement of your teeth and make you a custom tooth whitening tray. Now these trays exactly fit into your mouth and are away from your gum line, and therefore they are very comfortable to use. Now along with the custom trays, your dentist will also prescribe you the whitening gel and also just let you know how to place this gel onto the custom tray. So the final verdict for the custom tooth whitening tray is it is the most effective controlled tooth whitening system. So coming on to the final takeaways from this video, first, never ever use the DIY tooth whitening scrubs. Never scrub your teeth with coffee, charcoal, turmeric, etc. Number 2, you can use the tooth whitening paste just to get rid of the surface stains, but don't expect some drastic results. Number 3, don't use the whitening pens as we are not sure of the concentration of the hydrogen peroxides which are used there. Number 4, you can go for the whitening strips for mild tooth whitening. And number 5, you can choose the prefabricated or better the custom whitening trays for home tooth whitening procedures. So I hope this video was helpful and useful, and please do share it with your friends and family. I will meet you soon. This is Dr. Sneha signing off.